Welcome back to another episode of Whip Media TV. I'm your host, Whip Media Mickey, aka Mickey Made It. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do to the channel. Subscribe right now. Join the Vibe Tribe. Let's get it. Okay, on today's episode, I cover the Law of Detachment. The Law of Detachment says that we must detach ourselves from the result or outcome in order to allow what we desire to materialize in the physical universe. When we have done our part, we must learn to let go of the outcome for things to materialize. And once we do let go, it's when things materialize. They may not come the way we expect them to come, but they do come. So why is it so hard to let go? Well, the Law of Detachment is the most powerful and also challenging law. Mastering how to embrace what comes, when it comes, and how it comes, and learning how to be happy no matter what is tightly related to the Law of Detachment. Now, practicing the Law of Detachment does not mean we have to stop putting intentions or stop taking action towards what we desire. We actually need both to take the action and to be detached from the outcome in order to manifest what we want. From where we are to where we want to be, there are infinite possibilities. When taking the journey, we may want or even go for an even more exciting ideal. During the journey, when we allow ourselves to take a step towards something uncertain or unknown, we are surrendering ourselves to the field of infinite possibilities, of infinite space and time, and allowing the creative process to work for us. You create a space for things to materialize through you. When you are holding on to things, you are blocking the space. See, everything takes form when you're channeling through you, when you are open to receive. By detaching ourselves from what will materialize, we also reduce our suffering and stress. We feel lighter and free. Accept what is, even when unwanted. And once you do, you'll feel younger, happier, and stronger. If you resist them, you will have pain. You will feel like you are carrying the world on your shoulders. So Vibe Tribe, take these tips from the Law of Detachment. Number 1, put all your attention on what you control and what you can do today to get closer to where you want to get. By putting your attention on what you control and what you can do today, you forget what the outcome was, which is what you don't control. And when forgetting the outcome, you allow for higher and better outcomes to come. Number 2, feel comfortable with your unknown and uncertainty. Uncertainty is fun, exciting, creative, and infinite. Just see what happens, even when the situation is not desired. Learn to accept what is and do what you can to get the result you wish for. Once you have done what you can, let go and surrender. Don't hold to the result. The longer you are able to maintain yourself within the unknown, the more you allow your possibilities to come in, the more you create space for creativity and freedom and for your higher self to use its full potential. Number 3, remember that every challenge is in fact a priceless gift, an opportunity, a lesson that will allow you to access higher dimensions. Number 4, go back to the time when you were a kid, trusting that you had everything you needed, that you were fully taken care of no matter what. Kids are detached, full of joy and happiness. Number 5, identify in your body where you are holding onto something. Once you have identified that spot, breathe a few times and start feeling the air coming through your body clear. Relax and open that spot. Do it a few times until the tightness is gone. So you ask yourself, why is it so hard to let go? See, when we have done our part, we must learn to let go of the outcome. And once we do let go, it's when things materialize. They may not come the way we expect them to come, but they do come. Focus on the actions you can take today towards your desires and trust that they will materialize when the time is right. The Law of Detachment.